Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in my favourite park up. Absolutely love it here. It's the place I come to decompress from life. Just us in nature, middle of nowhere. Absolutely beautiful. Nothing around, just us and the van. 360 degrees. Absolutely gorgeous. Today we're going to go and see the waterfall. It's supposed to be a really nice one, a big one. An easy walk to get to it, which is nice. Just a few steps. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to take you there and see how we get on. Paul, going to take you with us. He's washing up again. Yeah, every time you're on the video, you're washing up. Don't worry, he's not always at the sink.
Yeah, right. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'll see you guys soon. Must be getting closer. Yeah. So I think we've got to go further up those steps up there. Yeah. And getting his cooking skills on. Yeah. What we got, Paul?
I've been doing the cooking all this time anyway.
Yeah, right. What we got?
We got the sausages was pork and black pudding.
Yeah.
And then we got chili tomatoes.
Yeah.
And then we got vegetable rice, all mixed up. And then that's it. And then we're gonna just an oxo cube thrown in there,
very
just
nice.
to thicken it up a little bit. But
yeah, it takes the tang off the tomatoes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
It'd be nice.
Lovely, nice and warm after that waterfall walk.
Yeah.
It wasn't that cold though, was it? But
no, well, it's more wet than anything.
yeah,
Around by
but it is
the waterfall.
October, so you know we haven't done too bad today, really, have we? The weather.
No, it's been nice.
Yeah.
It has been nice.
Anyway, see you guys soon in our next video.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.